शुभ संध्या।
शुभ संध्या।
Welcome, Lion Amir Virani. Long time no see.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. So, how have you been? रिकेश जी, आप तो हर बार और यंग होते जा रहे हो।
क्या बात है, रियली?
हाँ,
आपका प्यार है, देखो ना, आपका प्यार खींच के लिए आता है हर ट्यूसडे को।
so nice of you.
थैंक यू। 28 तारीख तो आपने हम बुक कर ही दिया हम लोगों को।
Thank you.
वैसे फ्राइडे भी मिस कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ जी,
फ्राइडे आप लोगों को मिस कर रहा हूँ। क्या है, मेरे पहले से कमिटमेंट फ्राइडे के है ना,
हाँ,
ओवरसीज के साथ में, इस कारण तब वहां पे आ नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं।
okay. Welcome, Yamini. Welcome, Sia.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. So we can carry on with the conversation. Welcome, Bharat.
ग्रेट।
Yeah. So maybe 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll start with a round of introduction.
ओके ओके।
So let's start with a short introduction. So let's start with you, Rakesh ji.
क्या करता हूँ कुछ मुझे लास्ट लीजिएगा हमारे यहाँ पे वो जो बिल्डिंग का आवाज चालू है
Okay.
तो बहुत ज्यादा आवाज है लीजिएगा
ठीक है, fair enough. Amir, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Lion Amir Virani here from Mumbai. I'm a business support service specialist, catering to startup SMEs and companies for their productivity and cutting cost. Thank you.
Great, thank you. So Amir, if you can please share something more about what services do you offer?
Okay, so we have 4 brands. One is Prime Infotech Solutions, where we provide software licensing and technology solutions of all kinds, right from apna Tally antivirus, say document signer, Tally on cloud. So any software license requirement इसमें होता है. Second thing आता है we help ये startup and SMEs for company registration with all registration services under one roof. So that's why we say we have one vendor for business support. तो उसके अंदर ट्रेडमार्क आ गया, कॉपीराइट आ गया, तो ये बिजनेस सपोर्ट के लिए जो भी सर्विस लगते हैं स्टार्टअप एंड एसएमईज के लिए, राइट फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी, सॉफ्टवेयर, कंपनी फॉर्मेशन, ऑल लाइसेंस रिक्वायरमेंट्स, देन उसका नेम को ट्रेडमार्क करना, तो all the services, so they don't have to go to multiple vendors.
Okay,
so
great.
In one place we are providing and with cost benefits.
Okay, so technology and compliance is everything under one roof.
Technology, compliance, registration, all the formalities जो लगते रहता है during the stages also. So like एक example मैं share करके end करूँगा. ट्रेडमार्क का मार्केट में चलता है 6,000 से लेके 50,000, but we have kept our price at 3,000. So ये रहता है. And we have catered to around हम दूसरा बेनिफिट क्या मिलता है कि दूसरे वेंडर्स आर चार्जिंग फॉर अपील एंड एवरीथिंग. फिलहाल हमने अभी तक इसको इंक्लूड भी नहीं किए. एक हमारा वेंडर ने कराया 15 ट्रेडमार्क्स और उसके अराउंड 7 अपील में चले गए, बट वी हैव नॉट चार्ज्ड हिम.
ओके,
अगर
फैंटास्टिक.
ये अगर अपना ट्रेडमार्क आईपीआर लॉयर या कंपनी के पास गया होता, ही वुड हैव स्पेंड अराउंड एटलीस्ट 10 lakhs.
Okay, got it.
तो ये
ठीक है, we'll just come back to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Zia. So from A to Z.
I'm Zia Khan. I have 2 entities. One is Sales Strategy India, where I provide sales strategies, services, and help startups in building their brands to scaling. And apart from that, I am also working with as a CEO in a NGO called VCSO, We Secure Society Learning Foundation, where we provide school children awareness on cyber safety and security, through which they can protect themselves from cyber harm. So children are made into cyber warriors, and basically they are taught to protect themselves and know if someone is trying to attract them or trying to dupe them, things like that.
Fantastic. And you're based out of Gurgaon, right?
Correct.
Great. Thank you. So, Bharat ji, can you please introduce yourself? Bharat? Okay, Durgesh. Durgesh Bhatt, can you please introduce yourself? Mr. Durgesh Bhatt?
अतुल जी अभी मुझे लीजिएगा
हाँ जी,
क्योंकि
please.
आवाज प्लीज
ठीक है. So you please introduce yourself.
I am Rakesh Jain. My company name is Introspective Rejuvenation Research Center. Our research says that जैसे statement है, human errors are inevitable, but we would like to say each and every industry's business is depend upon the human beings.
Right.
Whatever the level the humans are there, top to bottom.
Mhm.
And there is again conflicts. People used to say the businesses depend upon the finance. We strongly say that everything is depend upon the human being. Though the systems you have, though the influence you have, though the particular finance you, whatever you have, whatever the system is there, it is operating by the human being. Whatever the technology is there, it is operating by the human being. The qualitative human force is very important, and how that human force become a more productive, effective, efficient, that is the main criteria of our the whole coaching, consultation, mentoring. That's why the results are coming really excellent. And I'm specially working with the small units, family managed businesses, and they are doing really well during this post-COVID pandemic. During situations also, they really face their crisis better. So thank you very much, Rakesh Jain from Introspective Rejuvenation Research Center.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Mr. Durgesh Bhatt, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Good evening to you all. My name is Durgesh Bhatt. I am from Mumbai. It's just like Rakesh Jain is told, a human being is very important. No doubt it's a human capital. I'm telling you it's a human capital and they're asset to the company. I've spent 25 years in corporate sector in HR field, human resource field. And my job is to provide the strategic HR support to the management by providing the strategic HR support, by introducing the HR interventions. And I'm also a trainer. I provide the soft skill training, leadership training, and induction training to the companies. And also I was a chairman of the Indian Society for Training Development Mumbai chapter. I was a chairman for 3 years and just completed my tenure in September. So we have pool of the trainers, and also I'm into the transformation of the organization. I'm only consulting on the SMEs and MSME sector as well as the startup sector to say that how the setup for their things for them. I see that how the person working to give them a proper induction, proper job descriptions, and the competency mapping, and the performance measurements can be given. How you measure the performance gap in between them. How to kind of provide the training to bridge the gap of the the competencies. So I'm there to support the management in all these regards, even how to compensation, what kind of compensation you can give it to them. So that and also we are doing a lot of webinar series along with the line Amit Vidani with the Lions Club of Mumbai Shining. We are putting the HR series for part of it. This other also is a webinar we're conducting on the agile team about this one. So I'm in the process of the entire transformation of the organization because people, this fact that happy and engaged employee are asset to the organization because they take care of your business and they take care of your customers, and in turn there's a profitability of the organization. So I'm there to support the management in all these regards. So I'm Durgesh Bhatt from Mumbai. Thank you so much, Atul, for allowing me to speak on this introduction. Thank you so much, Atul.
Great. Thank you. Let's hear from Mr. Pramod.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
I'm Pramod Bakre. I'm from Thane. I am into basically tours and travels. I conduct domestic, international tours, visa, hotel booking, flight bookings, travel insurance, and foreign exchange. I give all the services under one roof. I'm looking out for connects of secretaries and chairman of Senior Citizen Club as well as Women's Club, which they are looking for group excursions or picnic. What I can give is I can give you references of CAs and CS in Mumbai Thane area. Once again, Pramod Bakre representing Majestic World. Our tagline is "Your Dreams, Our Dreams."
Great. Yeah. So, Mr. Bharat. Mr. Bharat, can you please introduce yourself? Okay, great. So Mr. Bharat seems to be busy somewhere. So let me introduce myself. My name is Atul Puri. I work with small businesses and help them take their business to the next level. I do this through two interventions. One is I help them design, or rather I help all of you design your business such that you can leverage all the resources that you have. Second thing that I work on is I'm the founder of this platform called eGrowth, which brings small businesses together, help them take their business to the next level, and also work on creating more opportunities. Right now, we have a community of more than 35,000 business owners who come from India and abroad. You get to be on the platform for free. You also get to subscribe. And you also get to be a part of what we call as the inner circle. In some time, I'll just take you through a small presentation on eGrowth and you'll get better idea on that. Right. So today, let us look at some interesting topic. So Rakesh ji, do you have some topic in hand which you would like to share? You need to unmute yourself.
I would like to take the same topic. Last time we have about the procrastination.
Fantastic. So please maybe say around 5 to 7 minutes. That should be good.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Great. So that should be something which will be valuable for all of us.
Correct, correct, correct.
Yeah.
See, the Introspective Rejuvenation Research Center is doing the consistent research, and not only the research, each and every human being know the meaning of procrastination. Oxford Dictionary also share you very, very meaningful meaning of the procrastination, and we also facing what is happening in our life, what is happening in our businesses because of the procrastination. The procrastination is an area. It is I would like to say, challenging area. There are many different reasons why it is happening. Here, I would like to share definitely what is the procrastination, why it is happening in my life, and why I'm suffering. The people, those are really conscious and those are aware, they know very well. Means they know very well. But still.
Rakesh ji, will it be possible for you to put the video on?
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, please.
I will keep the video on. Video is not on there.
No, it is not.
Okay, okay, just a minute. Now
Yeah, now it's better.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The procrastination, it is not a new subject. And in pandemic also, we have got the wonderful space. Space was an abundant space. And the people like Atul, the smart people, right from beginning, he came to know and he did really miracle. And many times Atul mentions us, listen me, I was continuously active. I was continuously conducting sessions and hundred of people, different businesses, really directly and indirectly benefited. Why it is happening? And many times in our very small area, it is not happening with us. Why Atul is really successful and we really chasing him. Many times we think, okay, leave it that we will attend Atul's session. Now, what I'm telling you, procrastination, it is the area of the emotions. If you are emotionally really comfortable, you always repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat that. Second thing is there, many times, directly and indirectly, it is not affecting, and you can't evaluate what exact loss I'm doing. That calculation, that evaluation, we don't have. That's why also procrastination is also prolonged. The people, those are really visionary. Those have a vision, mission, action plan, power of execution, innovation, and time to time correction. That clarity is there, then definitely they can't. Because something is missing in us. Simple thing I would like to share you, my personal experience I would like to share you. Don't you think we have got, everybody, we have got really time, lots of time. But income tax file, how many of us and how many of units finalize their calculation? They sat with their chart accountants and they did the work and completed their work. We have got time because we know when no pandemic, we were doing everything. But why it is happened? Many times when you are at home, there are certain things, many simple things, household things. That is, that particular area you can personally involve. You can assist someone, your family member, or your somebody just beside you, and you can do it that. But that also not possible. Many times we have seen. I would like to share you something very interesting. How I resolve that procrastination. Now see the things. My daughter, she's working. Earlier she was at Delhi. Now she is at Mumbai at our place. And what happened? I have seen that her chair is broken. I calculated. I have seen there are the really chairs are available in the market on the fingertips. If I will do something, I could have got the chair. Then I thought, why not? I have a time. I can do something. I have to start searching something. I invited people also, but they could not arrange. But I'm a cyclist. Then I thought, okay, let me do something more survey. I went. I have seen what is happening, what is needful. And definitely I have got something. And that spend, I was supposed to spending 12,000 rupees, but instead of that, my work I have done 50 rupees, now about 500 rupees. I spent, overall spending was of 500, and her chair was completely in a shape. Now what I'm telling you, when the procrastination is there, it is related, it creates the impact on the health, it is impact on the work, it is impact on the relationship. And there is one more powerful emotion is there, laziness. You know, many times we can't, if you want to applaud somebody, or if you want to accept somebody, if you want to wish somebody, or you want to congratulate someone, अरे करते हैं ना शाम को, दोपहर को कर देंगे, कल है ना समय. And what is happening? That we miss the bus. The procrastination, I would like to say, this is the area of emotion. And emotions, I don't say that whole life is governed by emotion. But if you want to create and give the self-satisfaction, if you want to sleep really sound, and if you want to do something more constructive in your personal life, business life, social life, whatever the activities you are doing, if you will carried away by procrastination, we already suffer. And what is happening, you know, many times we have know, everything is urgent and everything is important. Don't you think that we create the stress? How much stress? And stress means that we can't eat, we can't play, we can't talk, we can't sit with the close friend and family people also. Why it is happening? Everything we have to do because of the procrastination. It is urgent and important. If you will drop yourself in urgent as well as important, then what is the situation? We all
So Rakesh ji, I've got a question. How do we overcome procrastination? See, procrastination, its impact, it is the cost that we've seen. All of us see it. In spite of knowing all that, we don't go beyond it. I think that is something which will be really valuable for each one of us.
Now, see the thing, very important question you mentioned, that how to overcome the procrastination. See, the procrastination is there. So very clear, you try to understand procrastination is nothing but it is emotion. That you try to understand the things. It is emotion, and many times we have seen the emotions create the tantrums in our life. No doubt, emotions are really wonderful. They empower us. They really make the close us. But emotion, the procrastination is a really emotional area. It is, and second, it is empowering by this laziness. Now, what I'm telling you, it is very simple. Whenever any message you are getting, immediately you please resolve. Simple thing I would like to say, procrastination, how to overcome. And that my people those are connected with us, see the things, we always go for the comfort means, अभी देखो घर में जब आते हैं तो एक पर्टिकुलर एक स्पॉट होगा, वहां पे चीजें हम इकट्ठी रखते हैं, हमें पता है ये वॉलेट जो है ना ये ड्रॉवर में जाना चाहिए, ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ना वो तुम्हारे एक लॉफ्ट में जाना चाहिए, या लेकिन हम लोग वो उसके आदी बन जाते हैं. एक छोटी सी बात, अभी हमें पता है कि ग्लास यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, ग्लास गिर जाएगा और फूट जाएगा वो. तो इस माफी की जो भी सिचुएशन जब है ना, यह एक लेजीनेस और हमारी इमोशंस हमें खींच के ले जा रही है. ये पहले हमें क्लैरिटी लानी होगी, और यह जो क्लैरिटी है इसका सफरिंग इतने बड़े पैगाम के ऊपर होता है, इतने बड़े मात्रा में होता है. हमारा भारतवर्ष भी वही लॉस कर रहा है, ऑल ओवर द प्लैनेट भी लॉस कर रहा है प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन के कारण. तो ये प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन को बहुत बड़ा पिक्चर बनना चाहिए, और वो उसके जो क्राइसिस हमारे जीवन में क्या निर्माण कर सकते हैं, क्या क्राइसिस हमें हार्म कर सकते हैं, आपको उसको विजुलाइज करना होगा कि यह छोटा सा रीजन 10 स्टिचेस देने के पश्चात भी कंप्लीट होने वाला नहीं है. तो अगर उसके जो क्राइसिस, छोटे से क्राइसिस, पानी का ग्लास मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रखूंगा, नहीं रखता हूँ और गिर जाता है वो कांच का ग्लास, और मेरा बच्चा दौड़ के आएगा तो उसके पैर में क्या क्या हो सकता है. जब आपको क्राइसिस, आपके एक सिंपल एक्ट्स के कारण एक क्राइसिस आप इवेल्युएट नहीं करोगे ना बॉस, डेफिनेटली ये क्यों, ये क्राइसिस मैंने देखे मेरे बिटिया, समझो अगर वो हाथों को तुम्हारे हैंड्स के ऊपर, जो हैंड्स होता है, रेस्ट हैंड होता है, रेस्टिंग हैंड होता है चेयर का, अगर वो टूट जाता है और वहां पे बैलेंस नहीं रहता तो उसका स्पाइन खराब होगा। अब यह स्पाइन खराब होने के कारण उसको कंटिन्यूअसली 8 से 10 घंटे बैठना पड़ता है। ये क्राइसिस मैं इवेल्युएट कर पाया और मैंने वो चेयर तुरंत कर ली। वैसे ही हमारे बिजनेस में एक छोटे से डिसीजन से, आपको एक बताता हूँ बात, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है। कंपनीज में हम स्टोरेज होता है, स्टोर रूम। मैं बहुत सी बार कंपनीज में विजिट देता हूँ और स्टोरेज में क्या होता है, सिर्फ लोगों के सही तरह के ध्यान न देते हुए स्टोरेज का जो एक नई ब्रांड मशीन लाते हैं उसका पैकिंग होता है, लेकिन कुछ कारणवश वो पैकिंग खुल जाता है और ऐसी खुली करके हम रख देते हैं और पड़े पड़े वो मशीन की रिप्लेसमेंट हमें 1 साल 6 महीने में नहीं होती है, वो लोहा बन जाता है। तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स। एक सिंपल से मशीन का जो रैपर जो था वो उसको उस समय के ऊपर पैक करना था, वो हमने नहीं किया। उसके कारण कंपनी को आगे 60,000 रुपीज का मशीन लाना पड़ा। तो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये जो क्राइसिस है इसको इवैल्यूएट हमें करना होगा कि हमें ये क्राइसिस इवैल्यूएट करने की, उसके पोस्ट यानी उसके पश्चात के जो क्राइसिस प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के जो इम्पैक्ट्स आपके लाइफ के ऊपर होने वाले हैं वो आपको इवैल्यूएट करने की क्षमता आपको निर्माण करनी होगी। और अगर वो इवैल्यूएट करने की क्षमता जब हो जाती है ना बॉस, तो मैं तो ये भी कह सकता हूँ ऑटोमेटिकली हर चीजें सही तरह से हो सकती है। और यह एक इतनी सेंसिटिव बात है और इतनी छोटी सी बात है, क्योंकि छोटी छोटी बातों के साथ में कर सकते हैं ना हम। अभी देखो ना, मैंने फोन ये स्टैंड के ऊपर रखा था, स्टैंड पे रखने के पश्चात मैंने देखा वो फोन का जो कॉर्नर है उसमें फंसा नहीं था, वो फोन टिल्ट हो गया था। अगर मैं टिल्ट वहां पे रखता था ये मेरा फोन गिर जाता। लेकिन उसमें मैंने देखा अरे ये तो एक ऐसी तरह का इसका मुझे, क्योंकि अभी मुझे पता है कि मुझे सही आदमी भी नहीं मिलेगा और यहाँ पे तो एक तो ऐसी बात होती है कि अगर हमें स्केर्सिटी समझो हो आगे चल के, अबेंडेंट समझो है, तो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन हम चला लेते हैं क्योंकि टॉलरेंस के अंडर में है। लेकिन टॉलरेंस के बाहर में जब हो, सही व्यक्ति को फोन के लिए मिलना चाहिए, मुझे जिस तरह का फोन हैंडल करना है उसको रिप्लेस करना है, मेरे पास में फंड भी होना चाहिए, तो मैं डेफिनेटली तो उसकी चिंता नहीं करूंगा। लेकिन मुझे पता है भाई आगे के क्राइसिस बहुत सीरियस बन सकते हैं, तो हमें विजुअलाइजेशन भी उसके साथ में जोड़ना होगा। अगर हम जोड़ते हैं ना तो डेफिनेटली छोटी छोटी बातें से हम करेंगे, छोटी छोटी बातें से करेंगे। पता है ना, फ्रेम की अलाइनमेंट बराबर नहीं है। अगर अलाइनमेंट उसी तरह से पहनते चले जाएंगे और स्क्रू लूज होने के पश्चात यह 16,000 का फोन फिर 16,000 का चश्मा फिर से लेना पड़ेगा हमें। चश्मे की जो अलाइनमेंट हमारी खराब होगी और उसका स्क्रू थोड़ा सा भी ढीला हुआ, छोटी सी बात है, थोड़ा सा टाइट कर देते हैं ना तो 16,000 रुपए का जो भी एक्सपेंस है ना हमारा कम हो सकता है। इसी तरह से मैंने
Fantastic. ठीक है जी, थैंक यू। सो दिस वाज रियली वैल्यूएबल। छोटी छोटी चीजें थी। सो व्हाट माय पर्सनल टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस इज कि वो जो भी चीज है उसको अगर हम बड़ा कर देखेंगे तो हमें उसका लार्जर इम्पैक्ट समझ में आएगा, which is my takeaway from this conversation. और जैसे वो इम्पैक्ट समझ में आएगा then we will be forced to take that action. It will go beyond our tolerance level. So thank you for creating this.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत अच्छे अतुल जी, आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से चुन लिया जो आपको जानना था। आनंद की बात है। और भी किसको कोई अनुभव इसके माध्यम से वे आउट मिलता है तो शेयर कर सकते हैं एक दो लोग?
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, please. So can we hear from some other people? What did you get out of this conversation? Either you can unmute yourself and share, or you can raise your hand and then I'll call out your name. So हमारी प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन इतनी हद तक है कि जी हम हाथ भी नहीं उठाना चाह रहे।
नहीं, मैंने तो सफरिंग किया है प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन के कारण, खूब सारा सफरिंग किया है। मैं सफरिंग से सीखा हूँ। तो मुझे आप स्मार्ट बन जाओ। अगर स्मार्ट बनने क्या है?
इस प्रेजेंट प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन का कोई आउटकम नहीं है ना, कोई मेजर आप उसको बड़ा करके देखोगे तो कोई डिजास्टर नहीं होने वाला, इसलिए कोई एक्शन ही नहीं ले रहा है। अबंडेंस हो रहा है यहाँ पे, अबंडेंस ऑफ लेजीनेस।
Absolutely. But
No,
ये
but I
है
have
कि
the
जी,
same takeaway
yeah,
which Atul spoke about. Yeah, exactly what I was also thinking. That's an interesting way of looking at it.
right. वो जिस तरह इनवेरिएबली वो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग वाली जो एक्सरसाइज होती है, उसमें वो कहते हैं कि जी यू टेक द पेन outside of the box and from there you will be able to make it in I think 2 or 3 lines the entire box. वैसी वाली कहानी है ये, when you scale it up. So सतीश जी, आपने थोड़ी देर के बाद हमें ज्वाइन किया था, प्लीज आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे?
I'm Captain Mandari from JB Boda Surveyors. I'm of course not exactly retired, nearing 80 years, an investor in equities primarily. Even at
Fantastic.
my age, contrary to common wisdom, as they say, age minus equity, that should be a debt. But I have 98.75% in equity. But fortunately, other securities, my PF and all that is looking after, so I didn't have to bother about getting out of equity. So I'm a pro equity man always, and will remain so, I guess.
Awesome.
So,
and Captain
a
sir,
little bit, I call it, conscious about investment. I used to tell my juniors in the office when they join that they should at least target, if not take home money, 20% of the take home money should be savings, and start early and start regularly. Save early, save regularly. That is what we call it.
Awesome.
Start early, save regularly. That's
and Captain
my
sir,
mantra
which city
for
are you from?
investment. So I am a firm believer because my equities have grown over the years. Started in 73 when I was around 28 years. So now, of course, even at 80, of course, now I've just slowed down, let me use the word. So that is...
Awesome. So as in this Rich Dad Poor Dad, he talks about the ESBI. So you are one of those I quadrant persons, right?
Another takeaway. Hello.
Yeah, Pramod sir.
Another takeaway from Rakesh ji's the slot today, that even if we think of positivity, what we are going to achieve out of not having procrastination, if you visualize that, so this will be the result, this will be my achievements, or this will be my completion of work, or whatever you are planning to do. Even if you visualize that and then take a step, I think the procrastination can be avoided.
Absolutely. As he very well said, that it is very much intertwined with the emotion. So emotion can either be on the negative side or it can be on the positive side. What is it that you will lose or what is it that you will gain? Both of them are create enough momentum for you to take that step. Right, Rakesh sir?
Nicely, you mentioned that, क्योंकि we have been governed by the emotions, और procrastination वो बात ऐसी है, जब emotions involve हो जाती है, उसके crisis जब भी होते हैं, मैं क्या कहूँगा, पॉजिटिव चीज भी क्राइसिस है और नेगेटिव चीज भी क्राइसिस है. Try to understand the thing. This is a very sensitive statement. How the you can say, Mr. मैंने इमोशनली ऐसा कि लोग हंस पड़े, खुशी हुई उनको, और मैंने कुछ कहा और लोग रो पड़े, खुशी हुई. लेकिन यह चीजें दोनों भी क्राइसिस है. अगर यह दोनों क्राइसिस है, ये हम समझ लेंगे ना, तो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन हमारे में से निकल सकता है. अतुल जी. तो इमोशन को मैं क्या करता हूँ पता है? इमोशन को मैं कहता हूँ एनर्जी विथ मोशन. एनर्जी मोशन कहाँ पे भी डिवेट हो सकती है बॉस. पॉजिटिव भी कर सकती है और निगेटिव भी कर सकती है, और ज्यादा पॉजिटिव होगा तो तभी भी भाग जाओगे आप.
बिल्कुल सही है. राइट.
ज्यादा नेगेटिव वहां पे तो स्टे नहीं कर पाएंगे आदमी.
बिल्कुल सही है.
सिंपल प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन में ऐसे एरिया में क्यों जाएंगे हम? जाने आना चाहिए. हेलो, हमें जाना है आने का. दिस इज द ब्यूटी. दिस इज वन पर्टिकुलर एरिया ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव रिजुनेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का एक पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट मैं आपको शेयर कर रहा हूँ. ऐसे एस्पेक्ट हमारे इसमें है. वो Thank you very much for
Thank you.
everybody's.
Yeah. So
Thank
we
you very
also
much.
have
Thank
Mr.
you.
Satish Panchal, who's just joined us. Incidentally, Satish Bhandari ji bhi hain aur Satish Panchal ji bhi hain. If you can please introduce yourself, sir. Mr. Panchal. All right. So what I'll do is I'll take a couple of minutes to share about eGrowth. What is it that we do and how you can benefit from this platform. And after that, we'll go into breakout rooms wherein 2 or 3 of you will be able to speak to each other. You can exchange numbers and take the relationship further. All right. So you're able to see the presentation?
Yeah, thing, please.
Yeah, great. So eGrowth, we are ABCDE for entrepreneurs, which is active business collaboration and development ecosystem. So we work with businesses to help them collaborate among themselves and do business development. Our mission is to empower and enable businesses. We conceived this idea in 2014. Summer of 2014, and in November 2014 we conducted the first workshop, which was called eGrowth at Biz, which is exponential growth in business. And then over the years we've grown to a community of around 35,000 business owners spread across the country and a few people from across the world as well. The brand, as you can see, this stands for 3 values, which is trust, courage, and growth. And it has 3 arrows which are firing in 3 directions. So that is what makes us exponential growth, because we're firing in 3 different directions simultaneously. Here are some glimpses of the various events and workshops that we've done in the past. We've also actively gone on road trips across the country to have a pulse of the business at the local places. So this was a road trip in Punjab. This one is from a road trip which was in Western India, so which is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. And then we also partnered with Startup India for their Uttar Pradesh edition of Uttar Pradesh Yatra. We were a technology partner with Startup India, wherein they conducted 5 boot camps across the state of Uttar Pradesh. And then we also participated in a boot camp in Jharkhand, wherein we worked with the tribals who started growing organic vegetables, and these vegetables now are being exported to Middle East. Other than that, we keep on looking for various opportunities where we can collaborate with other bodies, or we can work with entrepreneurs on different kind of engagements so that we can grow entrepreneurship. So here you see some engagements with TiE in Uttar Pradesh, in Rajasthan, in Himachal Pradesh. We also conducted a boot camp for Dalmia Bharat Group. And then we have consistently been doing a lot of stuff for women entrepreneurs. So we have a flagship program called Celebrating Womanhood, which happens around the Women Day, which happens in March. So we've already done 3 seasons, so 2018, 2019, and 2020. I'm sure we'll be doing something interesting in 2021 as well. Other than that, we work with entrepreneurs to help them in consulting so that they can take their business to the next level. So these are some of the images. Here's some media coverage in English, Hindi, as well as in Tamil. What is it that we do? We bring business owners together for knowledge sharing sessions, for business networking, like the session that we're having right now. We also work for clients for buyer-seller meetings. We also organize business delegations for various purposes. And we do all what it takes to enable entrepreneurship, trainings and workshops, trade shows. During the lockdown, we did a lot of stuff on knowledge sharing. We organized what we call as the CEO talks. Right from 25th of March till middle of August, we conducted 152 sessions, one session every day. And in the process, we impacted around 8,000 entrepreneurs from within India and abroad. We also conducted 20 industry panel discussions, wherein we invited bodies, different industry bodies, which were either chambers, associations, or other industry bodies or government organizations, who came and had discussions on various aspects of the business. And then this is our portal, egrowth.org. This is where you can go and create your personal profile. You can also post blogs and articles over here. You can post your requirements, offers, opportunities. So right now there are around 700 plus opportunities which are listed on the portal. There are more than 18,500 entrepreneurs who are listed on the portal right now. And we are actively present in the online space. So we're there on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. We used to be on WhatsApp and Telegram, and we've moved out of that because we've launched the eGrowth app. Our social media handle is eGrowth.org. So you can search for eGrowth.org on any of the platform and definitely get connected to us. I'd suggest that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we already have around 400 videos which are there from various trainings, various speakers, various panel discussions those have happened on the platform. All of them are available over there. So that is a big resource for the entrepreneurs. I've also published a book called Golf Mastering Business Success. So I'll be glad to offer it to you. So you can download it from businessbydesign.in/ebook. This is a book which helps you design your business. So in 2019, when eGrowth completed 5 years, I was looking at how else is it that I can contribute to the business owners. One thing what I realized was that 80% of businesses which start, they collapse within 3 years. And one of the major reasons for that is that these businesses are not designed well. So I thought, what is it that I could do to help them design their business? So this book is a journey on how to design your business. I also keep conducting talks around this, strategy classes also around this. Okay, I invite you to join us. We've got an app called eGrowth app. It is available on both Play Store as well as App Store. I would request all of you to please install this app. Maybe we can take around 1 minute and you can install the app right away. Just go to Play Store or App Store if you've not installed the app already. On this app, there is a wall where you can post your requirements, your offers. You can interact with other business owners. You can also get connected to other people and have one-to-one chat with them, pick up the phone and speak to them. And this is how you can keep on building your network. So eGrowth is all about building your network and building your relationships, and the business would definitely follow. And you have the option to subscribe to eGrowth. When you subscribe to eGrowth, what you get is you get a verified profile. You get read-write access both on the portal as well as on the app, and you get to attend networking events. We also have something called as the Inner Circle. Inner Circle, other than the verified profile and read-write access, you also get access to second-degree contacts. You also get to leverage the industry connect that eGrowth already has. I'm personally connected to around 100 chambers and associations. All those are available to you, and the entire 35,000 odd business owners who are connected to us, they are also available to you. And on top of it, the Inner Circle meets once in a week. So every Friday morning, 7:30 to 9:30, we meet. And this is a platform which is on invitation only. So you can apply for this platform. if the committee, they find you are somebody who can contribute to the business at large, then you will be invited to join the inner circle. All right. You can start with a subscription, which is a basic subscription, wherein you get access to the curated entrepreneur network, privilege access to the platform, access to the eGrowth portal, and also to the app. For one entire year, all what you pay is 3,000 rupees plus GST. You can go to the portal, so egrowth.org/subscription, and you can subscribe from there. And I was talking to you about the inner circle. So so Inner Circle is an exclusive B2B platform. We have handpicked members around 30 to 50. Right now, we've got around 40 members. Average experience of these people is 26 years. We work on 5 elements, which are opportunities, second-degree contacts, problem solving, knowledge sharing, and networking with the industry bodies. Right? So you can come for experiencing it. Normally, we would have charged you maybe 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees. I will be glad to invite you for free. Come experience it, and then you can also apply for it. All right. You get access to the influencer network. You get premium access, power networking, 52 inner circle meetings, Industry Connect by way of delegations and buyer-seller meetings. And this entire thing is priced at only 30,000 rupees per annum. And yeah, one thing what I forgot is we also have a member who's from Australia, who's a member of the inner circle. We also have a British citizen who's right now based in Thailand. So inner circle has an international flavor. So we've got members not only from India, but from other countries as well. And then this eGrowth India Mixer, the one which you are participating in right now. This is a regular feature. We have it on every Tuesday at 7 p.m. The Zoom ID is 622-633-944. Just in case you forget, you can always use this and log in. Okay. This is all about business networking. Participants from all over. As you can already see, we are, I think, from 5 or 6 cities right now. Introduce yourself. Participate in the breakout rooms and exchange numbers and take it from there. Okay. We also, the members of eGrowth, they also get to promote their business. So these are some of the partners who are there: EvoConnect, BizMIS, Sampark Setu, Zoho, and all these various aspects of business which you would need. We are able to support you on that. We also work with various platforms. So these could be both online platforms, startup platforms, and associations and chambers. So there are a couple of associations who are members of eGrowth. For example, BBN Global, which is Brahman Business Network Global, Mohali Industries Association, Federation of Buying Agents, and rest of them are SME Quest is a platform from Singapore. And TIE is again a global platform which started in Silicon Valley. So we keep on working with these platforms. TIE, they have a TIE Global Summit which is happening on the 8th to 10th of December this year. So this is how we give access to you to a larger business ecosystem, wherein you can use the resources for your money, man, machine, method, or any other kind of requirements for your business. And on top of it, this Saturday, I would be leading a talk which is called Recharge Your Business. 28th of November, morning 11 o'clock. This is a free strategy talk. I would be sending a mail to you. If you are interested, you can please join this as well. This will help you design your business. So this was a little bit about eGrowth. You can get in touch with Ronika. She's our community manager. You can send a WhatsApp to her on 892-092-6565, or you could send a mail to her at ronika@egrowth.co.in. So this was a little bit about eGrowth. If you got any questions, I will be glad to answer those. Else what we could do is we could just break into breakout rooms. Maybe 3 of you or 2 of you, 4 of you would be there in one group, and then you can have a more closer conversation among yourselves. Any questions that you have? No questions. Would you like to go into the breakout rooms?
Yes, we will like.
Fantastic. So
Yes,
what
yes.
I'm doing is, we are 9 of us, so I'll be creating 3 breakout rooms. So on an average 3 people per room. You can interact with each other, exchange numbers, get to know each other better, and then take it from there. All right. Post that, we will assemble. So each one of you will get around 2 minutes, and we will gather back again at around 5 minutes past 8. Satish ji, please join the group, the breakout room.
I think I'll meet next time around. Because I have some other commitments. Tomorrow some urgent work is there, so I have to make calls. That's why it got delayed, because
Okay,
there was
no
a
worries,
phone call.
no worries, no worries.
I get some urgent assignments are there tomorrow, so I have to arrange for the work. So I will excuse myself.
No worries, sir. So which city are you from?
You. I did get benefited, so I noted down some few points for the growth. So let
Sure.
me see how we can do some mutual benefit interactions.
All right. Which
Thank
city
you.
are you from, sir?
I am now based in Mangalore. I was in Bombay for 25 years, of course.
Uh-huh.
More than that. Recently
Okay.
shifted to my hometown. So
All right.
I'm from Mangalore. So of course I'm still in service with the company, because some key points that I have in my profession, skills as you call it, company doesn't want to relieve me. So I continue. And I'm of course one of the directors.
Right, sir.
The director you can call it. So because we are a service governed by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDAI, as you know,
All
all
right.
the insurance companies, brokers, and everybody. We are, of course, intermediaries, surveyors.
Okay.
So I'm sort of de facto compliance officer.
Uh-huh.
So everybody else knows about that subject so much that I had studied. Of course, out of
Right.
my own interest. So the company says, no, you can't leave. So I'm trying to train somebody. So it will take a little time, because the IRD is full of regulations and compliances. They are very strict on compliance.
So do you
Penalties
know
are
a
very high.
gentleman named Mr. Vijay Shah?
Sorry?
Mr. Vijay Shah?
In which company?
So he's an independent person. So he
No, I don't
works.
have.
Okay.
No.
So he's again a specialist in insurance,
Oh, I see.
and he runs a company called Insurance Auditors.
Oh, I see. Huh? I've heard the
Okay.
name insurance auditors, but I've
Yeah.
not
So
chance
that's
to-
why I thought maybe that could be interesting for you.
Let me see. I'll probably have time.
Definitely. So
Now
do install the app and consider to
yeah, that I
join
will do.
eGrowth. Yeah.
Maybe more. Yeah. Thank you. Good
Yeah.
night. Stay
Good
safe.
night. So,
All
yeah.
the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
This year and the next year around.
Definitely.
Thank
Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Mishra ji, namaskar.
नमस्कार नमस्कार अभी जस्ट सॉरी फॉर कमिंग लेट अभी जस्ट लौट के आ रहे हैं बिलिंग से बिलिंग बीड़ का नाम आपने सुना होगा
हाँ जी
आपके हिमाचल में
सही है सर
वो जहाँ पर वो पैराग्लाइडिंग होता है
हाँ जी, वो कांगड़ा वैली में ही होता है ना, बिल्कुल। हाँ जी,
बैजनाथ के पास में है,
हाँ जी।
बैजनाथ से थोड़ा सा आगे जाके तो वहीं गए थे। तो अभी जस्ट लौट के इन किए, तो फिर आप लोगों की तो याद लगी रहती है, बस सोचे कि चलो मिल लेते हैं। लेकिन आपकी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि आप भी होंगे। आज तो हम हरिहर जी को खोजते हैं इस मीटिंग में।
हाँ, तो आज तो हरिहर जी भी नहीं आए और ये भी नहीं आए, अपने वीरेंद्र जी भी नहीं आए, श्रीपद जी भी नहीं आए और सुखदीपक जी भी नहीं आए। तो आज हम भी चला रहे हैं इसे। देखिए,
हेलो राकेश जी, गुड
आपकी
इवनिंग।
एब्सेंस में हमने रविंद्र जी को बुला लिया।
हेलो राकेश
हाँ जी।
जी।
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए।
हाँ, और सतीश जी आप भी हैं?
हाँ सतीश जी, हम आपको मिस कर गए जनाब। कि देखो, आप लकी कैसे हो पता है, आप ब्लेस कैसे हो गए पता है। अतुल जी ने आपको ले लिया, उनके साथ में आपकी बात होगी, अनमोल रतन के साथ में आपकी बात होगी जनाब। और मुझे हर समय प्रश्न ये रहता है, ये अतुल जी कौन से ग्रुप में जाते हैं।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आई एम आर.के. मिश्रा, रविंद्र मिश्रा, ex DOT Ministry of Communication, and at present running a company at Delhi in telecommunication, licensing, auditing, and regulatory compliances. I'm late joining. Of course, some of the friends are new here, so this is for the benefit of others. I joined bit late, not bit late, quite late, but I was busy somewhere else.
Great.
Ravindra,
So,
sorry
how
to
was the
interrupt.
experience?
Hello.
Yeah.
पहले नहीं मिली, कुछ समय रुकना पड़ा, फिर उसके पश्चात गए, अमीर जी से बात हुई हमारी। अमीर जी एक स्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा दे रहे हैं बिजनेस के लिए, वो एक बात हुई। दुर्गे जी को तो हम जानते हैं, तो इट वाज रियली गुड।
फैंटास्टिक। सतीश जी, आप भी अपने आप को प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए, आपने सिर्फ ग्रुप को इंट्रोड्यूस किया।
Thank you very much. So there is some problem on my internet actually.
Okay.
Because I am in some remote area. And basically environmental engineer, and I have about 32 years of experience.
Okay.
And presently I am managing director of Vadodara Enviro Channel Limited. This is a conveyance system designed by government of Gujarat. And there are about 300 industries. They treat their wastewater inside their premises, and they pump in canal, and then ultimately we dispose at the sea.
Okay.
So it's a very bit challenging because some of the industry, there is a notorious industries everywhere. Some of the industries are not treating the wastewater, and we are facing a very serious problem from the authority.
Right.
And we have a little bit powers also. We penalize the industry. We close down the discharge also. And since last 10 years, I am doing all this activity. So sometimes industry are not supporting us. This is an issue because some of the dye and dye intermediate industry, there is a lot of pollution issue in Gujarat.
Right.
But till we lot, just like you, we also conduct a lot of series of training program for the operation and maintenance of wastewater treatment plant, then upgradation of their system also. And recently we have incorporated ET, environmental technology, with information technology. So we have a lot of IT network.
So Satish ji, we must definitely talk.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you're aware or not. There is an organization in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Which is going to be organizing a trade show called Wastewater Management.
Yeah, that I know, and I attended one program also at Hyderabad.
Yeah, so this is the third season that they are doing.
Yeah.
So if you are connected to them, that is great. If not, I can get you connected to the organizers.
Definitely.
Maybe there is something what you can get from there, or you can give there, both ways.
Definitely. Yeah. So it's a win-win situation for both the sides.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
because you'll get to see some new stuff happening. In fact, last year we conducted buyer-seller meetings for DEWA, which is Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, in Delhi, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad, wherein they were looking for vendor development for reusable energy, renewable energy, as well as wastewater management. And we got around 30 partners who met them in Delhi, Bombay, as well as in Ahmedabad. So great to get connected with you. I think I would have your number or at least your email ID, and I'll write to you.
Definitely.
Thanks for taking time.
And I got I got all the information what you said initially. It's very excellent. अच्छा ग्रुप है ये, काफी मतलब इंटरेक्शन अच्छा रहेगा।
सर हम भी मिस्त्री हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो इसलिए आदमियों से ज्यादा मशीनों से बनती है हमारी। But we realized that see, while you are on the other side, you have some so small businesses, they have quite a few different kind of challenges, and it becomes difficult to manage those. Means at times the resources are so less, at other times resources may be there, the will is there, not there. As Rakesh ji said, procrastination is there. So there are so many different energies which are working. It becomes difficult to handle all of them.
It's very difficult to manage. Yeah, that I understand. Yeah.
Right. So do install the app, do come to the platform, and let us share how is it that we can add value to each other. Okay. So maybe what we could do is we could invite you for a lecture sometime, because what you are doing, that is, while you are doing it for Vadodara, it is required for all the industry across India.
Yeah, definitely.
So that could be one
because
piece.
Wastewater treatment is a little wastewater treatment little bit a tricky issue, and sometimes industry bypass. And I think you understand most of the rivers are polluted because they are not treating the wastewater, and sometimes it's become a very typical issue, like NGTs and Supreme Court also on the picture. And even today there is a chemical convocation of ICC, Indian Chemical Council, and there are a lot of the senior people like Adi Godrej and Tata Groups, Birla Groups. They already mentioned their difficulties, and now nobody prefer the chemical industry in their premises because it creates a lot of pollution. So we now need a clean technology. The technologies are available, but it is not available to Indian manufacturer. So that link we have to. I was in Kuwait also for 2 years. Okay. So I learned so many things from Kuwait also for the wastewater treatment plant. I worked for the largest refinery at Kuwait National Petroleum Corporation 8 to 9 years back. But it was a very rich experience. So that even we also in VECL, Vadodara Enviro Channel Limited, we also conducted a series of programs for the member industry, and we labeled as a interaction program.
Right.
So some of the experts of this group we also invited to have a presentation to industry, Baroda-based industry also.
Sir, how many members do you have?
As on today, we have a 300 member industry. Like Vadodara, we have a Nandesari Industrial Association.
Okay.
Then we have a Padara Industrial Association.
Okay.
And the PSU like IOCL, GSFC, IPCL now Reliance, GSCL, GIPCL, they are also our member.
Right.
So it is very mixture of group of industry like PSUs as well as private industry also. And all industry have some different problems. It's very difficult to manage. Difficult to manage.
See, for the larger industry, they are structured in the same fashion.
Yes, yes.
When it comes to the small businesses, every business behaves in a different fashion.
Yeah, yeah.
So this Saturday, I will be leading this talk called Recharge Your Business.
Yeah.
Which is all about designing your business. So as I shared that 80% of the businesses, they collapse within 3 years. If they don't collapse, they would have virtually collapsed, but are working with only brute force. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so the model that I published was called the leverage model, wherein I talk about 4 elements. The first element is the future. The second is the lifeline. The third is the opportunity. And fourth and most important is the game plan. How do you build it together? So this is the basis on which I've been talking about it. So I'll share that invite with you. If you can in turn share it with all the member industries, that'll be a great help.
Definitely. I try my level best.
Yeah, see, I am on a mission to impact 6.4 crore MSMEs in India.
That's very excellent. Yeah, very excellent. Yeah.
See, if you look at all the chambers, associations, maybe around 25 lakh business owners are members over there. Remaining 6 crores, 6.2 crores are fending for themselves.
Yes.
While you are at a place where you would be looking at them as culprits, but they are not actually culprits. They are at the effect of life.
No, I am not looking at the culprit. But there may be a lack of resources, lack of knowledge, lack of networking. That is the issue.
Absolutely.
So we are helping the industry also. We are also helping the industry to come out from the solutions.
Yeah. So we will be glad to partner with you in whatever manner you say, whether it is in terms of some people coming and training them, talking to them, or some other kind of interventions. We will be really glad to support you on that. So right now we have Mr. Ravindra Mishra, who's joined later on. So he is a retired DOT professional. So he retired as DDG DOT, DDG BSNL, right, sir?
No, DOT.
So, DOT, yeah. So with that, the kind of linkages that he brings to the table, I think very few people would have those.
Yes.
Right. So तो दिल्ली में आपको कुछ काम कराना हो तो वो मिश्रा जी से करा लीजिएगा.
Definitely.
हम समझ सकते हैं कि गुजरात वालों को इतनी दिल्ली में दिक्कत नहीं है, बट फिर भी
नहीं साहब ऐसा नहीं है.
आज तो गुजरात जो है दिल्ली को ही कब्जा करके बैठा हुआ है पूरा गुजरात.
ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा
नहीं, हर डिपार्टमेंट में पूरा बदल गया. एक जमाना था कि बिहारियों की चलती थी, कुछ समय था तमिलियन की चलती थी, आजकल गुजरातियों की ही चलती है सब. कौन ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है.
अरे सब चले जाए गुजरात में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा फिर.
नहीं, गुजरात में बहुत कैपेबिलिटी है.
Great. Yeah. Bharat ji, if you are able to share what you do, that would be really great, sir. Else we'll complete the call today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, sir.
Okay.
So
fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Satish, sir. It was really encouraging to have you be with us. Right. Yeah, Bharat ji, please share.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Hello.
Yeah, Bharat ji.
Hello, I can see. Hello, my video is gone. Okay.
Yeah, video is gone.
Hello.
Yeah.
1 second. Now is okay. Okay. Am I audible? No? See,
yes, you're audible, sir. You're audible. Just that you're not visible.
Fine,
that's
fine. I just 1 minute. I will give my background.
Yeah, please.
Basically, I'm a finance person. Even we were bankers also. My brother was on the board of Bank of Baroda for many years. And we are also, I also worked in finance and accounts department, and then worked for Hindustan Lever. So 2001 onwards, I've been a GST consultant, and service tax consultant, and served many big groups like Times Group, other Inventure Groups and Securities, Landmark, and many other groups.
Right.
So, right, I mean, I had some ailment in 2018. So I diverted my line. At present, I'm into two things. We are coming up with one group. They are having fields and fields of gypsums, which is an ingredient of cement.
Yeah.
So we are bringing it in a big way. We have been contacting to many cement industries. So for this, we can supply this. And I'm also having a franchisee for Dholera, upcoming city near Ahmedabad.
Smart city, yeah.
Smart city, yeah. Is there? They are first in many things in India as well as in Asia also. They're going to have biggest airport in Asia, biggest port, and so many things. And I am close with those government people to facilitate this business over there also. Yeah, and also there is one project underway for Maharashtra also, but which is still in pipeline.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is, I'm also, if you have heard this name, Council of Industrial and Trade Development, CITD.
Okay.
There's a big company. They are operating from Delhi and Hyderabad.
Okay.
And they want to give me a senior position over there also, which is underway. I mean, it's in the pipeline. So this is my main things. Yeah, right now.
And Bharat, where are you based?
Mumbai. I'm in fact we have met sir with Madam Dharmishta. She's from my community Bombay at Jew. I mean Jew Gymkhana.
Okay, Jew Gymkhana.
Dharmishta Bhatia.
Yeah, Dharmishta Bhatia. So we conducted an event there in 2017 February.
Yes. In fact, I am in since 2016, and I am with eGrowth.
Oh, fantastic!
Also. And I am a good Rotarian also. Actually, I was in Juhu earlier for many years. I mean 7-8 years, and I am back to my own property at Borivali. And in Justice, I have remained ex-president Borivali Justice Indo-American Society, as well as this means some social things I have done it. But
really great,
mainly,
so even I became a Rotarian this year. So I am a member
of. Great.
I am a member of the new club, which is Brave Hearts.
Delhi or Bombay?
Bombay, sir. It's a passport club.
Where it's located?
Bombay.
Bombay where?
I think town.
Where you?
I think town.
Town.
Yeah.
Achha. I see. We used to meet at D Club. Under DN Road.
Right.
D Club.
Okay.
So right. So I mean, there are many other things in pipeline, but okay. You people are quite. Comparing to you, I am just a small piece, small timer. But okay.
So sir, we are looking for only small timers.
Okay. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. And I also once I was associated with for some of this CTC also, Chamber of Tax Consultant, and also I attended some of the meeting of SOCAM also.
Okay.
But that's it.
All right. Great, sir. Thank you for taking time out. Let's be in touch. Do install the app and do consider to subscribe to eGrowth. And that is an opportunity for you to contribute to the industry at large.
Okay.
Yeah, Rakesh, you were saying something.
Yes.
Satish ji ka number
I already लिखिए 898-000-4051.
Could you please share it?
Hello.
Yeah. So it was night. Atulji.
Hanji.
Thank you for giving me opportunity to share the things, and it was nice, really a nice meeting. I am really pleased to interact with you, all of you, and definitely we shall keep in touch.
Yeah. So just see, as we close, the last remark that I would like to share is that just yesterday or somewhere I read this one sentence. If you want to go far, walk alone.
Yes.
Okay. And then if you want to make a larger impact, walk together.
Yes. If you want to go fast, walk alone. If you want to go,
If you want to make a large impact, then you go together. I'm forgetting the
Yes,
exact word what it was.
Yes. If you want to go fast, reach earlier, walk
Fast, far.
Sorry. Yeah, fantastic. If you want to, got it. So if you want to go fast, go alone.
Fast.
And if you want to go far, walk together.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
So it's fast and far.
हाँ जी, fast and far. Yeah.
Yes. You are right, sir.
तो हम लंबी रेस के घोड़े हैं, इकट्ठे चलेंगे.
Yeah, yes. It would be a great company.
Actually,
it would be a great company.
Actually घोड़े नहीं हैं, हम खच्चर हैं. Mules जो है ना, army uses mules because mules are able to carry more luggage or rather more load for a longer duration.
Yes.
हम तो मशीनी आदमी हैं सर.
Can we hear something from Pramod ji?
Satish ji, please share your number.
Is also here. Can we hear something from Pramod ji?
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I am Pramod Bakre. I am based in Thane. And I am into making people happy and bringing smile on their faces.
Yes.
Right. I am into tours and travel industry from last 8 years. And as you know, I am going through challenging times now. But then obviously things will improve shortly in few months. And I'm basically conducting customized holidays for families, right from national to international destinations, including visa services, hotels, then travel insurance, and then foreign exchange, arranging foreign exchange for them wherever they travel abroad. I'm also NSDC, National Skill Development Council, and RSCI, that is the Retail Association Skill Council of India, certified trainer into retail industry. I have worked for around 18 years in retail, right? Reliance Retail and Raymond's and Zodiac, all these brands. I'm a consultant for brand marketing and promotions for MSMEs. I help them grow their business and reach the right customer. This is my profile.
Great, Pramod.
Fantastic, sir.
Thank you.
So see you all on Saturday on Recharge Your Business. Please spread the word and let us have as many people as possible. We are looking at a very small figure. छोटे आदमी हैं, छोटा figure है 6.4 crore.
Yeah.
MSMEs in India.
Yeah.
Satish ji,
और छोटे आदमियों के साथ हम काम करते हैं. हाँ जी, प्रमोद जी आपने कुछ बोला? Yeah, please.
सतीश जी आपका नंबर शेयर करिए प्लीज.
हाँ, मेरा नंबर है 898.
हाँ जी.
0004051.
4051. ओके.
आप इसमें शेयर करो ना प्लीज.
हाँ, मैं उसमें डाल देता हूँ, चैट में डाल देता हूँ, चैट में.
प्लीज. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for taking time out. We need more people to come for these talks, so we have these on every Tuesday. And let's make India a heaven for small businesses. Right?
Yes.
The world has given us an opportunity to reboot. We have been in this space for almost 9 months now. All right. The next 9 months are going to be even more difficult.
Yes.
The previous 9 months, we have lived on what we had in our homes. Next 9 months, we will actually have to grab whatsoever is there.
Yes.
I request all of you to put together all resources that you have, all support that you can give. And there is a bright future, at least for India. Okay?
Well, definitely.
Right, so there's a lot which has changed. There is a lot which is coming our way. But that will be available only if we are standing.
Yes.
So with that, see you again next week. Okay?
Thank you.
Chaliye,
Thank
bye.
you all.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank
you.
Everybody.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Good night.
everybody.
Thank
Good night.
you. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.